Besties, today I'll be sharing with you 5 ways to make money online today. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't even touch don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I have a giveaway. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Let's just get right into today's business. First thing on my list here is for you to pick up freelance work online. Hey guys, do you know that you can make money online through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com? These websites actually offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs like writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and also being a virtual assistant. Guys, are you fluent in a second language? Hey, do you know you can check websites like Gengo, yes, or Blend, Express, or drum up business through your own websites? Yes, so no matter what freelancing that you do, make sure that you keep track of your going rate for the kind of work that you provide so that you know what to charge your people. The next website on my list here is Upwork. Guys, in case you're not aware, there's a recent report that came from freelancer.com, and they found that creative writing jobs has the fastest growth in listings on websites in the second quarter of last year. Yes, it went up by about 58%. I know in your mind you're saying, oh, AI has taken over, but guess what? AI cannot really do the work of human writers. So companies are still looking for writers who know how to edit AI content and they have at least a basic understanding of search engine optimization, SEO. Now, you can also learn, yes, or beef up your SEO skills if you know how to, optimize websites. It can be a lucrative side hustle for you. Some freelancers are charging as much as $100 per hour, yes, or even more for their freelance writing services. It can take a while for you to get your first gig, so go ahead and set up 24 to 48 hours. Yes, and it is easy to start, especially if you have the expertise. How fast you get paid depends on the website. Another way to start making money from today is by testing apps. Yes, testing apps and websites. I'm telling you, this is another way to make money from home. Yes, and you can use websites like usertesting.com. Do you know that you can get paid for your thoughts on how well or how not so well some websites and apps work? All you need to do is to complete a short test to be accepted, and then you're going to be paid depending on your test type. The total time, approval, time can vary. As for setup, less than an hour. How easy is it? Very easy. And if you have a tech gear, and then you can complete a sample test, and you have to be at least 18 years old. Now, some websites actually wait for 14 days before they pay you, yes, and some pay you instantly. Here are the things that you need to know. First thing is you need to complete a sample test as part of the application process, and then you will start receiving testing opportunities after your application has been approved. The timeline for approval can also vary. Payment amounts also vary depending on the length of the tests. Like I said, 14 days, and they're going to pay you through PayPal in most cases. Another way to make money online is through proofreading. Yes, you can proofread from home. If you're a stickler for grammar and spelling, if you can keep an eye for typos and you have an eye, yes, you know all the do's and don'ts of proper English, you can turn this obsession into a full-fledged online career, guys, and start to make money. I've already mentioned that content is the king of online marketing today, and there's a high demand not only for writers but also for those that are ready to offer a new set of eyes to improve the quality of their writing. Guys, what skills do you need to become a proofreader? Guys, the most important ones are you can have a perfect mastery of English language. You can become, if you're meticulous, it's easy for you to, find a job. And then punctuality, yes, to meet all the deadlines. You can't be slack. You have to be self-motivated. And you also need to have developed computer skills. The internet has a lot of resources where you can find proofreading jobs. So for example, you can sign up on, websites and provide proofreading, services like editfast.com, flexjobs.com, proofreadnow.com, and you can also find tasks on freelance marketing websites like Elance or odesk.com, and you can promote your services both online and locally through your own website or even your blog. Guys, the amount of money that you can make as a proofreader varies. Yes, it varies, and people can charge from $25 to $40 an hour, and if you choose to become a proofreader and start off on the right foot, you'll be able to make at least $100 on a day. Now, go ahead and also register on a freelance platform. No matter what your skills are and what you're good at, you can start generating income from working as a freelancer online. The only thing you have to do to start from scratch as a freelancer is to define your niche and sign up with several freelance platforms to find jobs. As you may know, the most popular and reliable freelancing platforms are freelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, and they also have Thoughts Plus jobs and so much more. But if you're on the fence as to what you can do as a freelancer, you can take a look at the top highest paying freelance jobs that will help you earn a steady income. They are programming. Yes, you can become a programmer, a computer programmer, a software developer, a website designer, content writer, graphic designer, video editor, social media manager, and so on. See, working as a freelancer is not just, a little side hustle. You can actually make a living from this. Individual freelance incomes vary considerably, and the freelance income survey by Pioneer revealed that I think in 2018, the average freelancer earned about $21 per hour, which is more than the average traditional worker. So if you invest enough time and effort in your freelance career, you'll soon start making $100 a day or even more, or even $100 in an hour. There are so many creative ways to make money online without investing much and spending years on training to do that job. It goes without saying that some of them are perfect for starting a full-blown online career like affiliate marketing. No matter what money-making strategy you use, please make sure that you work hard and invest a lot of time and effort into your online venture, and your ink will increase significantly every single month. Just put in your best and be consistent. Make sure that you are self-driven, you're self-motivated. People don't need to wake you up before you start, putting in your own work. And that is it, guys, for today. Making money, like I always say, money is, everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And here is how to win my giveaway. First thing you need to do is invite 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. Yes, guys, we have launched our Telegram channel. Go ahead and add your friends into my Telegram community, and you're on your way to winning $100. And that's on a period. So, guys, which of these strategies are you going to use today? Which of these strategies are you going to, adopt today? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any question for me, let me know as well. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you need clarity or clarification on any of these strategies I've shared earlier, I'm more than happy to do that for you. And right now I want to say big thanks to my Patreon members. You guys, thank you for all that you do. If you would want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. And you can also join my channel membership. Part of the perks when you join my channel membership or my Patreon community is that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. If you're missing my grants videos, let me know. I can always research all of these grants for you guys and share with you on my channel. So that is it, guys, for today. Please, if you have not introduced yourselves yet, go ahead and introduce yourselves. Like today's video, do well to comment and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And that is it for today, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. In case someone has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and your express, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Mariam Adepaju.